Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply uninstall Steam completely from your computer device. I'm going to show you how you can delete all game data in this video with a very simple way. For that, first you have to press in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open your settings, and then you have to come over into the app section, click on apps, and then simply go for installed apps. After that, you have to look for Steam app. It is over here. Click on the three dot and then click on uninstall and click uninstall. It will going to come over with the installation wizard. After completing it, we can simply click on close right now and simply close the settings. Then what you can do, we can simply go for file explorer, simply go for the local C drive, simply look for program file x86, this folder, click on that. And then make sure that if you find any kinds of folder named Steam, then you can simply delete it. How you can do that? Click on the right mouse button and simply click on delete. It will going to be deleted. That's it. Very simple way to do that. So this is the way you can simply completely uninstall Steam from your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.